Hi, Bear Academy, another video on how to use AI to help us at work. In this example, I want to use AI to help me write a LinkedIn recommendation for my peer with my style. So let's check how to do that. First, I write down the prompt. Here is the prompt. I'm a product designer and I want you to help me write some recommendations for my peers on LinkedIn. Now analyze this style and tone from the recommendations below that I wrote and help me to write another recommendations. I'll send you notes for each peer next. You can ask me questions if you need something's missing. Here's my recommendation to analyze. So this is the major prompt and you notice that I need some input. So here is the actual recommendations that I wrote for my previous colleagues or managers or students, and I already collected here from LinkedIn. I just copy and paste on ChatGPT, but let's see how it works. So I'll just start a new dialogue and paste the prompt here, and then I will copy this prompt, this input that I've already got, so that ChatGPT can learn what my style is and then analyze it to provide the right tone. Right. And now I'll just write down, here's a note for the first peer. And it's actually a fake one. It's called Steve Jobso. As Steve Jobs from another parallel universe. Steve Jobso, my manager at Orange Design. And a few notes about this colleague. So he's a great guy with vision and passion on tech, art, and product. Fearless leader, always push me to another level, cares things in details, got my challenge from him, and thinks that I became a better designer. Yeah, things like that. Here are some notes that we can always reflect from our work, from other peers, that how this guy works. And after that, I just get it as the input. Paste it here, and then let's see how things going. Right. Recommendation for Steve Jobso. Steve Jobso, my manager at Orange Design, is a unique blend of vision, passion, and attention to detail in the realms of technology, art, and production design. His fearless leadership and unwavering enthusiasm have been a significant source of inspiration not only for me, but for countless others in the team. As a design leader, uncanny ability to push me to the height, things like that. Okay, so I'm not reading all the things from start to end, but now you can notice this is definitely a game changer. So if you got this prompt and get some inputs, you can easily write the document according to your style, according to your format. You can also change it to maybe a tweet or maybe a Kuso internally for your peers. Right, here's the example. I hope it's helpful, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.